How do you deal with negative comments on your articles? Are you in the middle between deciding to respond versus not respond? How do you get online trolls to still pay you even though they're being total assholes? Lucky you, you've come to the right place. I remember when I first had my online troll, to be honest, I found it both funny and anxiety-inducing at the same time. This article started going viral for me, and you know what happens when you go viral? You get more comments, more followers, more money, and alas, more online trolls. It feels a little bittersweet when this happens. You feel you're finally rewarded for all your writing efforts, but it feels like everyone's watching you, and you don't want to fuck up in public. I got some haters online. I tried dealing with them. But it wasn't until I came across this new mindset shift that my not give a fuck meter went up. Now I actually love online trolls. Every time they spread hate, I still get paid. Ready for a mindset shift? But first, let's create a thick skin. Developing a thick skin at a young age is a lovingly painful process. In my mixed household, I am Asian plus Latinx. Being teased on was a sign of love in my house. In short, my parents wanted to prepare me for the bullies before they entered a role in my life. I learned how to drop quick comebacks and create a steel barrier at a young age. But that doesn't mean that you or I are invincible. Sometimes, the assholes get under your skin. But if I've learned anything in life, people like to project their own insecurities onto other people. Misery loves company. It will take a great deal of strength, tears, and resilience to develop a thick skin. But know that people's comments have nothing to do with you, and everything to do with them. Start there. The money-making mindset shift. In order for me to shift my mindset, I had to think of things from a business perspective. Of course, adverse publicity is never a good thing. But with all things, it's outside of your control. Thankfully, if you're writing online on Medium, you can know that with every comment it 1. Increases engagement. 2. Increases the amount of reads. 3. And opens the door for conversation. So how does this contribute to having online trolls pay you? Well, in order for a person to write any sort of meaningful negative comment, they had to first read your article. In my mind, reads equals money. Then they took the precious time out of their day to comment on your article. In my mind, comments equals engagement equals algorithm boost. So what does that do? It gives your article further engagement and may have the potential to boost your reach to other audiences, which means more exposure and potentially more income down the road. So where does that leave us? Well, you can do 3 things. 1. Respond. 2. Ignore. 3. Consider. Which leads me to my third point. Creating a comment feedback loop. I'll be honest, not every online troll in their mind thinks they're trolling you. They may actually give you hidden feedback. For example, with this comment, I could have just ignored it. Chalked it up by saying to myself I can't please everyone, which truly, you can't. But after giving it some consideration, I've realized that maybe there's some merit to the comment. So what did I do? I updated the article and responded to all the individuals who said they hated X. Why? Because I'm certain there's plenty of people who have the same problems that didn't take the time to comment on this article. In short, some trolling comments and some have merit. It takes time to consider both, but do what's best for you. In summary, I've shared with you my unique mindset shift that allows me to know that online trolls are paying me day in and day out. For every negative comment, know that a person had to read and engage with your article first, which means more money and exposure for you.